Hey friends, Anthony Yiman here. I'm out here touring the beautiful new community of Oak Creek. Right now, I just wanted to take you through the stellar floor plan, which is just phenomenal. Wait till you check this thing out. Come on, take a look. And here we go, another absolutely beautiful product by Pulte Homes. Out here in Oak Creek. Ooh, we can't see that part yet. Oak Creek, one of their newer developments. It's a 55 and up community. And if you're familiar with Del Webb and their 55 division that Pulte does, it is jam-packed with activities and an active lifestyle that everyone can enjoy. And I mean, I love this room. I love those windows, all the natural light coming in. Obviously beautifully decorated. They went with carpet here in the bedrooms. Here is one of your bathrooms. This home has 3 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, depending what you choose, and can be a 2 to 3 car garage, once again, depending what option you choose. And you've got over 2,400 square feet in this home. Beautiful little shiplap accent to the wall there. I was trying to save it for you, but check this out. Oh my gosh. This kitchen and living room. This is what I want. This is it right here. Love the two-tone. As far as the cabinets go, a lot of people are doing that. That caught on and it's not going anywhere. Got the island a different color than the cabinets in the back. But this is where it's at. This is why we come to Florida, right? That outdoor living space. And when you add these zero-touch sliders, oh my goodness, look how open that is. I mean, you can and I will just walk right out here to the pool. Beautiful waterfall feature, the way they've got this one set up with the spa right here. Sitting right on a preserve. Oh man. It's a little warm out. I may jump in when we're done here. Absolutely gorgeous. And you still have some nice, like I said, outdoor living is very important here. So you've got some space out here. You've got a couple chairs. You want to do a high top table in the corner there, or whatever you like, whatever your design is, feel free. Here they've got a 4-seater table. Look at those zero-touch sliders again. That openness. This is going to be amazing in the winter. Just open up the whole house. Love it. They did a great job here. Beautiful plank tile flooring. Love the dining area. Just all the little details too. Here's your laundry room area. You do have a sink with some cabinets, nice little space, do some folding, whatever you like. Some more cabinets and storage over here. Washer and dryer. I love the size of the home in like little details. There's no wasted space. This laundry room is workable. I might actually fold some clothes in that one. So coming around, this door here, employees only, that's the 3rd bedroom we did not see. Unfortunately, we cannot see that, but you kind of know what it looks like. I'm gonna try to not get in the mirror here. Oh boy. All right, so what did you think of the stellar? Pretty stellar, huh? Sorry, I had to. So this is just one of the many layouts out here at Oak Creek. Once again, it is a 55 and up community, but I'll tell you, super active. It's a great choice and a great place to be in Southwest Florida as we continue to grow. This community is in a prime spot for the next boom. So feel free to reach out to us if you're looking for a property here or any other property in Southwest Florida. Make sure you follow, subscribe, and like, and we'll talk to you soon.